Long battery life, Bluetooth 5.3, Tozo Acoustic Technology, 16 preset EQ, dozens of white noise, and IPX8 waterproof. This is the Tozo T10 earbuds. So it comes in 5 colors, as you can see there in the box. And of course, we have here the quick specs description. You can pause and zoom that a little bit. And now let's go unbox. So straight out of the box, we have this sign which is designed by Tozo in California. And let's open that, and we have here the quick guide, user manual, and other paperworks. And we will set that aside, so everything you need to know is in this box. And also we have here the accessory box, in which the first thing we have is this extra ear tips. We have five extra ear tips with different sizes, and also we have this Type-C cord which is for power, so we have that there as always. And of course we have this lanyard strap that you can place on the charging case right there so that it will not fall. You can strap this on your neck and whatever. And then we have here the Tozo T10 itself, so this is the charging case. And let's see, we also have here the Type-C charging port, so we use that for charging. And there you go, the Tozo branding. This has 45 hours listening time, including the case. And we open it. Now here comes the Tozo T10. Now for the features of these earbuds, this is a quality earbuds with Bluetooth 5.3 rating, and its effective Bluetooth range is 10 meters. TOZO ORIGX 2.0 Acoustic Technology, enhanced bass profile. So this can have punchy and deep bass as low as 16 Hz. It has an 8mm driver, so you can have that quality sound from Tozo. And you can also use the Tozo app, which is compatible with this one, so that's where you can find the 16 preset EQs and other dozens of white noise and other sounds. So we're gonna have another video of that in this channel. This has touch control sensor, so this earbuds is also customizable, and you can set that by the Tozo app. So the touch controls are customizable at your own convenience. It has also call noise cancellation and environmental noise cancelling, so for calls. So you can also see there the LED battery indicator, so it lights up if how much battery juice is left. This is wireless charging compatible. You can buy extra accessories for this to be wirelessly charging, so they have their own separate charging plate, and it's all IPX8 waterproof. So this is the Tozo T10. Tell me what you think. Put it in the comment section. What are the things that I missed and the things that you need to know? And of course, don't forget to subscribe. This is Rye. Thanks for being here. This is the Tozo T10 wireless earbuds. See you on the next video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe again. Bye guys.